How to remove Meta AI on WhatsApp. This tutorial shows you what's actually possible right now, since there's no full delete option available. First, open the WhatsApp app on your Android device. From there, check under Settings, then Chats for a Show Meta AI button toggle, since this is rolling out gradually and may not be available for everyone yet. If you don't see that option, Meta AI is fully built into the app, with no way to uninstall or fully turn it off, but there are still a few ways to minimize how much it shows up. At this stage, open the Meta AI chat directly if it's already in your chat list. Following this, type /reset AI and send it. From here, this clears its memory of any past conversations you've had with it, which helps limit what it's holding on to about you. At this stage, if you'd rather just tidy up your chat list, long press on the Meta AI chat instead. Following this, tap Archive to move it out of your main inbox, or tap Delete to remove it entirely from view. Keep in mind, archiving or deleting only cleans up your chat list visually. It doesn't disable the feature, and it can resurface again if you interact with it or if a new update reintroduces it. Following this, another option is muting the chat instead, which stops it from sending you notifications without removing it completely. From here, long press the Meta AI chat. At this stage, tap Mute Notifications. Following this, choose how long you want it muted for. Since Meta AI is deeply woven into WhatsApp's structure, the most realistic approach right now is combining these steps, muting it, archiving it, and simply not interacting with it, since it stays inactive as long as you don't tap into it. That's how you minimize Meta AI on WhatsApp. If this helped, drop a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next one. Catch you then!